Let's go to Tubu Tubu. We are live on Tubu Tubu. Live in Tubu Tubu. Come to Tubu Tubu and enjoy this broadcast for more updates. But iye guna igbiagia. So if you're watching me now, I'm going to end this broadcast. While we'll be on YouTube to disgongorize. Say the way it is. To Iego. Me never dance. If I go start to dance. You understand? Hello? For which country? For Facebook? Yeah, no. For Facebook, another thing topic. Let's go to YouTube. Yeah. Thank you. So, let's go watch the part 5 of Adulterous Woman in Town. Yes. The part 5 is going to be Woto. We're going to unveil the part 5. We're going to play audio on part 5. Yes, the audio of Big Star will be exposed in part 5. And a lot of things is going to happen. In fact, part 5 now sorted. Part 5 of Adulterous Woman 2025 is assorted. Listen, all the medes, all the gogos, the inside. Part 5. And for those of all those noise maker, all those failures women abroad, we call themselves live video presenter. Where they support Mama Ego because they did the same Yama courts. That useless nonsense court where they say they belong to, where they take out to do Olosho for abroad. Where their mother, they send them come abroad, sign for trolley to come do human trafficking for Europe to see money to feed their family builders, remove their family from poverty. We make many of them not get sense and not get to no time. I'm undistractable. You know what I'm saying? And not get to no time. Person we are getting time. Now be my side chick, we are knock. We not keep quiet. We want to expose ourselves. So I go help her expose herself. That's my area of specialization. That's my job. You understand? She says she don't get shame. So you cannot shame the shameless. Like as she did now. She never showed Toto for social media. Me don't bring out my bola come out for social media. Make everybody say they come. Me they enlarge and put them for palo. So any of the single mother will not get husband. At least I do them a favor. Many of them now get up for their city room. They get up for their phone. So if they want just come, they just bring Frank bola come and they go shake their body. I'm gonna shake the thing. You know what I'm saying? They go shake and they go come. They go twe. So my lovely people, I greet you all with better star. You see this broadcast? A very sweet one. So if you want to watch her, join me on YouTube. For those of you on Facebook, I'm going to be leaving Facebook now. Going to YouTube. So if I end this live video on Facebook, join me on YouTube channel. Let's go and Twitterize and Twitterize. Iye go na muggle. Iye go na ode. Iye go na muggle. Iye go na zoa. Iye go na ewim. Show me the video, guys.
Look at me, I'm glowing. Do you see me? Do you see the sexy mama? I don't watch you now. I feel like you were gonna write for you, so I don't want to mention your name. I know they wash you. Not to say maybe any video where they do say my go they wash. Who be you when they want wash? Now you mean want to wait my data where they pay 55 euros, they put everyone can they wash or nonsense. Now you they wash me. Yes. Now you they wash me. Now me they give you a sleepless night. I'm not washing you. No. If you swipe, see your video. It's vulnerable. Oh, I get you a pen. Boboti, bo. Tishaku. Eba. Boboti, bo. The crown I read. You they look me for his side, you know, the Omangoya Zio Baloni now a bomaro. Who popular that video me? He do not that. The penary. What do you eh? Omangoya Zio popular now. Look at me. Very soon, 52 years old. Et de year of what? You know, see that's going. No matter where you go, you not bam, no feel like bam. Who where you don't feel like bad? You just bad, but for someone and you see, you can't pay. You can't pay. I not guessing so. So I know where I for grow, not for head. So I know where I for grow, not for head. We know they carry last. Nanny be upper babe. We know they carry last. Upper babe. Where they will let guests like and for all the post there. Where they will let boys the post there. Now me how the train. You see, the pain is real. Now make you pop out now. You don't see it now. Eh? Look at me the way I shine. I didn't tell your eye. You go
Yes, some people I greet you all with better style. Greetings to every one of you out there who's watching this broadcast live and direct. I see one of this is one Victor the Umenwan, one of the universe, the social media king, the social media Kubana, the social media Otutu, the social media Enyewa, the social media Akobisi, the social media Adulterous God's son. Rumunda Era Yanosika Kobisi, Ero Pamukbe, Moi Baba with this man. I just do my drink. I want you. My people. They say we're all the finish market now. And every time something was lost. You see this woman when I just watch the video finish now. You see now, Papi. It's an adulterous woman. Here go the adulterous woman. A new tea. For those of you now, we see when I want to come out on social media to come to paint the story black and blue. Or they can depend the story say you're gonna really do anything with me, and you're gonna not do anything. You understand? Say I did lie. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm not going to blame you now. You understand? The so-called Asigidi won't do will not take this. Asigidi won't join, will not take useless. Asigidi won't join, will not take on do a shower for abroad. Asigidi will not join, will not take the blackmail on herself. Asigidi will not join when they take Carol come abroad for you as human traffickers. Can't do Olushum and help our parents for house. We make many of them lost arm, not all, many of them lost it upstairs. So that's the major reason why you see old women like this, they are single mothers in abroad. Great men got married to them and dumped them. We have numerous of them in this Europe. So at the end of their extra time now, they are all looking for young boys that can satisfy their sex urge. You understand? And for those of all those other women who they talk anyhow for social media, see the kind of person way he called the fuck all this kind of old women. We don't see better men, we don't see share fathers. I just look and they laugh. I don't understand the kind of poch men we they talk about, Madam Poch, Madam men that matters. These are looking for men that matters. What makes a man matters? That's the question. Who are men that matters? What is the meaning of share fathers? And they ask questions. and how Shege fathers has been active into your life for the decades of years with many of the follow Shege fathers. You know, at the end of the day, those so-called Shege fathers turned you women to single mothers and dumped you guys and went back to their home country, their country of origin, to invest, establish, and live their life with their own extra wife out there. You guys are money-making machine from Shege fathers. You guys are money-making machine to all those Shege fathers. I not remove one. All. I repeat, all the so-called Shege fathers that is being known, rather popular. 85% of all these old cargo are money-making machine to them. The highest they give to you guys, they are coming to Europe, they will bring a goosey ogbolo, crayfish, ewi, can't give you now. They eat, they cook, they give now children for us. And when they are going back, and many of them they buy their tickets, they go see pack on money, charge benefits when they collect from Europe. They go see pack and go back house. They go invest and they go feed their own family back home. And you guys are so deaf and dumb. Shame, no let them talk. You understand? Now, straight back to the major person in question here, the adulterous woman, 2025. Hello? I greet you. Yeah, I wish you the same. My YouTube channel, yes, my YouTube channel is Umenwan TV. Yeah. Yes, Umenwan TV. Do go spell and spell it. WhatsApp. All right. Sorry, guys. Please share this video, guys.
Su Subito trovi tutto quello che cerchi, così fai affari ogni giorno. Scarica l'app.
What the one with the call so? What the one with the right to? You guys are welcome. I don't block anybody. You write bad statement to, you write good statement to, I will not block you. It's your own opinion. You don't understand me now. It's your own opinion. So, for those that is looking for the Umenwan talk show, Umenwan TV, that's my YouTube channel. So I'm live in Umenwan TV. Share it to your friends on WhatsApp. Let them join the story. Let them hear the story. Now, here go call, what's it called? One of these presenters. Say, she called. According to Susie said me and she not do anything. So, Susie, I'm putting on top to you right now. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, I analyzed a video yesterday concerning Susie video where she talked about Mary Edos who got married to Iyego brother, Endurance, big star. You understand? About their divorce and they're married him to, what's it called? Ijose, Abiyayuwaroyebu, and having triplets. You understand? True Zoro gauge, I mean, a Zoro gauge, they call them. You also announced it, Susie, Mrs. High Service Epa. You also came up to announce it. So if you believe, so much believe that Iyego told you categorically, as you said, that as you claim, that Iyego told you that I, Umenwan, with Iyego not get anything we do to each other. If you have that belief, that means your talk to the general public, say, Iyego also tell you, say, in brother, yeah, I think we are born for a brother. It means a lie. Yes. If you get a belief, say me and Iyego will not lash, will not lash, will not hello, will not do what tell you. If you get the belief, say Iyego not scream, no, If you get the feeling, say don't scream for me. It means say, sister, you all this talk we talk for this, all your analysis of these old stories is all bullshit. Not lie. So, guys, as you're watching this broadcast, please press that like button. And if you not give me super chats, if you not super chat me, if you press like button, put like for inside and press it like this, like the video, because why? It's not easy for a man to sleep with another person's wife, can't come out, can't confess by himself. It's not easy. And the truth I tell you, not easy. Don't be a victim if you do it. You feel me? So yes, you don't tell me I keep the secret, so I have to leak it out for the whole world to hear, so that I go free. I go free to talk to this woman whenever she misbehave. Yes, because most of the things we are doing against for this media, and they do, but because maybe you don't get one or two things, you don't get down. I don't go free talk. When I'm thinking it's not saga, but this is not saga, this is reality. This story is a life story. I'm giving out my true life. I'm giving out half of my life stories in Germany, 2022, with this woman called herself Mama Ego. You understand? My life story, not the talk show. What happened to me for Germany the last time I visited Germany. Now they let the whole world hear. So guys, share the video. Don't play. I do my drink. I want you. I go outside. I have to wait. If she will come abroad, come open to for train station, make different country they call the jump inside, they give her money. She not the shame. So you go expect say me will not come here, come open yash for train station. Make different man they call the put bola for my yash. Come the shame for her. I want nonsense now. Let me say we are not be Benin boy now. Sure, what is so? Let me say not be Benin boy. It's an upper girl. But me na all weather. You know what I'm saying? I fit tell you say I be upper boy. I fit tell you say I be a go boy. I fit tell you say I be Ogida boy. Ogida son. Now I be. I fit tell you say I be Ogbe boy. And I go let you know say I be Zebu boy. You understand? I go let you know say I be Ogbe boy. I go tell you say I be Gele son. Full son of Gele for a Kenwa road. You understand? I go fit tell you. I go let you know say I be upper mission extension boy. You might understand now. I go let you know say Abulem song confirm. So name it. Tell me where you want the community where hot for Benin, where you want measure for this social media. Where we will never run things. Where we will never run things in all day. When Benin be real Benin, when them be small person they see point again, then they see Bush inspector, then they see CDA again, community chairman or Kaireli, all those stuff. When CDA day, when chairman day community, where it be say community chairman they collect post for John William hand. Now we dey Benin that time. Now we dey Benin. Where it be say they will bring external body to come fight for community. They will bring in Jews come for. Jews go remove in Jews come fight for community. Last they'll cut 100 by 100 for people for community. Now we dey Benin. You will don't enter abroad for decades of years because you be up again. You be up again. Who don't know your pa for Mucheche? Who don't know your pa for Mucheche? Who don't know na dirty family when I come for Mucheche? Don't know why with Mucheche? Who you want brag for social media? Me way maths. You will not know anything. You will go Benin go talk so you be up again. We all this shame and disgrace where you go barapa. Shame go let you go stand for Benin say you be up again. Whenever I have go, you go na yagbe ke yo kakere. Now go be kakere na ikema na afie gunu. At your age, 52 years old, carry your own junior brother go la the soccer mat and you see you up again. Is that your character your pa? And the character gonna be behave for Musheche for your upper compound be that one. Because some of you say because of you, make I say upper women not get left. No. Because the woman women put for house today now upper babe. If you know to make you know. The woman women put for house today, women married for house right now. So me and you they talk so now upper babe. The same me when they talk to you, so I don't now upper for the make now for make money or go better or wo for that same upper for Oka. Go reach the Dogbu community. You understand? Go reach the Dogbu community. A chairman, you know, get on go say chairman. Now you Dogbu the see hey, real boy, yo. You will don't come back for abroad. For the past 30 years for abroad now, only once they don't go to Nigeria. You come to show me they call it brag. All the money with the work they use on the so-called for you for Nigeria, for Nigeria. Now, phone for the city has to be built. You never carry your head before they will sleep there one day. Phone. Now you for the city house where you build, where you use that shower money build. You have never laid your head on that house one day. Shame not in your eye. Why would shame do not have? Most of all these women when they support you, they know they are shameless. See Mark Joe with the clap and they follow you. Look at our story here now on social media. She disgrace her family. Person were born for person for Europe here. He go Nigeria. That one carry motor give him carry go Nigeria. He go Nigeria. Go use money of you. Baby papa here. Take go do marriage above for us. Adulterous woman. Person were born for Lagos. None of the baby papa of that is speaking. So if I look you, they talk, you be upper babe. And now let's check all these women when they talk. They are upper women. These are adulterous women. They are upper women. Rita Kokobiri now upper. You see, you people are trying to bring up her name down. Make the whole world know how useless some women be for upper. Most of the adulterous women we are fighting today, they are always from upper. It's just that we have to we still get some good one from upper. That's the major reason why I will not generalize it. Because we get some responsible mothers for upper. We get some women for upper, we get shame. We get good name. That's upper, we get radical pastors. We get gentle pastors. We get pastors we call God. We get pastor we go call. For that's upper. Now, so we still get native doctor we call devil. We get native doctor we devil really call to do the real work. So that's the reason why, because of your stupidity, I don't go generalize and say, now also upper women be. No. If not be say I say marry one of the upper women for us now, I know she not be like as you did so. Or my whole having we whole. Or my small boy like what big care with the bread price wrong. You see you? More way. Now me knock you. Now me go fit talk your story. Because you were so free, like a bird. You open your feather, make her lie down. Because you believe say, you don't catch small boy when you go feel locked for a sack because you carry my bowl and they use and they play like toy. Like say they buy toy for small picking. How can an old woman like you they use my bowl and they romance my bowl like tomorrow not day. I shout Jesus. This one on Toto. I want you. When I hear upper babe before I go talk.
Look how I'm growing. Do you see me? Do you see sexy mama? I don't watch you now.
Look at me, I'm glowing. Do you see sexy mama? Era we act with talk no for you marry. Wala. Ogun me na me na sa. Eh ya yo bo vie me no de na me pesu kara ko gbo. Wala. Eh, o we dey ebo tem we me no de ne. Dey ebo tem mu we na vi pesi gbo. Na boy o yiri kan. O de gbe mo nya kan lo ni won. Ona gbagbo iwe. Ki we de gbe wo. Na baba si amen. I love big thing. Big thing you will like. Voila. For you go and almost. He go rip my bola. He rip my bola. He go rip me. He go rip me. Child abused. He go abuse me. She abused me. Because I did vibrant, I did talk boldly. Now me gonna look me in the eye. I supposed to be grand. I said, Nagbola, they don't rape me. They don't rape me. This is child abuse. You're gonna rape me. Oh, they rape you for 31 days. Bros, that raping, a sweet raping, though. 31 days raping. What about shit? Voila. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, up again. With the smart and suffering.
It's like you were going to write for yourself. I don't want to mention your name. I know they wash you. Not to say maybe any video where they do say, "Mama, go they wash." Who be you when they want wash? Now you mean want to wait my data where they pay 55 euros, they put everyone can they wash or nonsense. Now you they wash me. Yes.
Now you they wash me.
Now me they give you sleep at night. I'm not washing you. No. If you sweat, see your video. It's vulnerable. Oh, I get you a pen. Babati,
Sharon!
Babati,
My girlfriend is singing. Sing for me, baby. Come on, sing for me, baby. Sing for me.
The crown I read. You they look me for his side. No, the among where you see your balloon now a bomaro. Who popular that like video me? He do not that. The penary. What do you eh? Oh my God, you're popular now. Look at me. Very soon, 52 years old. And the year of what? You know, see that's going to when I wait, I will even not bam no feel like bammet. Who way I will even not feel like bammet. You get bad, but for some and you see, you can't pay. You can't pay. I not guessing so. So I know where I for grow, not for head. So I know where I for grow, not for head. We know they carry last. Nani be upper babe. We know they carry last. Upper babe. Where they will let guests like and for all the post there. Where they will let boys the post there. Nani how the train. Nani how the train. You see, the pain is real. Now make you pop out now. You know see now. Eh? Look at me, we are shining. I didn't tell your eye. I didn't tell your eye. You go look. You go out, go out, via so walk back. Now they cry. What via saggy? What big cocoshi? Last year. If I eat my stash now, I'll sleep at that bed. I'll sleep. Meaningful. If I want to do well, I'm going to carry this page. Me, I don't say yes. I did say I have to do my work. Yeah, I can't run away. Imagine me, we swipe the TikTok. Imagine swipe the TikTok. Fais quoi tu abidi et figidi. Abidi et figidi. Et que les mous zézé. Boboti, ha. Hey, ha. Boboti, ha. Hey, ha. Boboti, ha. Hey, ha. Boboti. Hey, here you go, wake me up here. Hey, here you are, so hey, here you go, the boboti. Hey. What the yep, what? Now, this I got my car. The pay is free.
International, Gogonola, popular, everywhere you go. Iwanu sona mageba suwembe o, anakina. Iwanu sona mageba suwembe o, iwatanu soma mageba suwembe o. Aria. Iwanu sona mageba suwembe o, anakina. Iwanu sona mageba suwembe o, iwatanu soma mageba suwembe o.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all with better style water right there. I played this song for Iyego, specifically for Iyego. You know why I played this song? She never dreamed for her life. Say today, a day like this, or a time like this, or a year like this will come to pass. Say me, Umenwan, will can't disgrace her. Because if you say we don't have one, she don't suck my bola tire. You understand? Because she believes I don't shook hand for say I make tire. So she knows say we don't get things we don't do for each other. So she believes say I don't go fit talk. Now that she knew, she believed she lost her husband because she lost the man. You understand? She already lost the man. You left me so. If that man, the real Igbo man, say she still wants to go back, her God. Now advice I go first give you. If you want to last long for this earth, you see this woman. You see this woman. You see this woman. Now one of the biggest enemy when you ever encounter in your life. As a very young man, when you did this room, they ball, they enjoy your life. The greatest mistake you ever make in your life is the day you see this woman, you toast her. The biggest mistake you made, the day when you see this woman for this rumor or wherever you see this woman, you toast her. You start dating her as your girlfriend. Not just only your girlfriend, you date her, you can still go pay a bride price for Opa, for Mucheche. Now there you for fuck up. I wish you would say you were dying with the devil. You for parole like John Legron. And she even told you, this woman told you how she take by her first husband, where he born the Deborah for. You know, Papa, Ego, you know if you tell me say you don't know because she tell me say she tell you everything about you and the first husband. When you born one for that one, the pikin can't die. Before you can't born Deborah can't die alive, Papa can't die. This woman, normally, if someone counts children, it's supposed to be 6 children. Her first speaking to say that one they are alive, that one would never give her money, that one would never ready to carry grandchildren. This woman will see so. If I born for a first husband, that pikin come by. Before he come born Deborah, where they Lagos, where they begin now, where they don't marry. Now mama na train Deborah. You understand? As he born Deborah papa bye. All those back so wait till you know say they under. She use her man tell me. Everything we are talking on our reality. It is what we discuss. What she told me about her life story. How old woman when they do all this odujutu in her button, take color out and give her a prophecy that she's going to be a great woman. She go get money, but she no go to husband house. She go marry the first man, that man go die. She go marry the second one, she go born children for that one. The last one, the third one, she go deal with. She go be queen, where everybody will call the worship. You know all those days for Benin when they Kwakwebo. Whenever they do Okbewu of a ball, different native daughter will come. They come, they dance, they display their incantation, they prophesy to people. They call out people and they prophesy to them. Just the way that they do crusade for church. Many of Benin people know this is where they talk so. That was where she was called out as a young lady years back. And she was told. And this woman put that thing for brain, started walking towards that thing. So when this issue between Mama Ego and Papa Ego started, this Mama Ego started reminding Papa Ego of this same prophecy that came to her years back. Say, remember waiting the professor tell me say, me and you not go marry forever. You get what go born rich and go leave you. Go if I dey lie, go your boy platform, talk say, wetin Frank talk na lie, wetin other level talk na lie or na truth. Everything we want to talk today, both how your wife dey scream. If I lie this time, talk say, oh, Frank na lie. You understand? It's all clear. Because this saga with me and Michael pull like so, it go long. Not be joke. Me, I'm not going to leave Michael for wastes. I go drag him with my last blood. If now this topic I get for true at 2022, 2025, stroke 2026, I will, before I go end of Facebook. You never know Frank Nicholson. If you know me, you know go try me. I go sit down here. I go use you to play better play. And I'm going to make sure I disgrace to the fullest. Every other person will collect saga for this media. Your own going to be ×2. Because why? I am the weakness. I be the victim. We sleep with you. So nobody will tell me, say, where evidence? Anybody will ask for evidence or soon for national peace. Because why? You cannot imagine me where I sleep with woman because they ask me for evidence. So if they fuck woman in the video now, and I believe him and they ask. Now they ask. I mean, you see me like a Batista for a Guinea man. When they sleep with you, I'm going to carry camera and the video them. They want to drink. I want you. Please, play the video. Help me share it. Now, here go. Upper babe. Hello. Upper Olosho. I must greet you. Off we go. Oh, you haven't played a video.
That's so good. Nice tolo. This is nice tolo. They do tolo, making younger. I have been making younger.
Yeah, is she the highest stupidity? She is not stupid to the extent of fooling herself on social media. You see where you plant yourself. Here you go. See you look yourself now. See the way you fool yourself. Mother of 5 children, a grandmother. Your daughter are graduates. We marry, do wedding, born pikin. See in mama for Europe. See the way mama they fool her integrity. Look at the way the mother is fooling herself. And that tell can you just imagine if your own daughter, Deborah, they do this kind of nonsense? Diego, what will you advise her? Your husband called you a adulterous woman. Your husband wrote to Deborah's husband, to Deborah, say the wife, the mother is an adulterous woman. You forward me the write-up. Where your own personal husband, Papa Ego, when the priest they saga you say you be an adulterous woman. Your own husband wrote to Deborah, your own first daughter for Benin, say your mother is an adulterous woman. She also wrote to your in-law to be, then he never be in-law. He was just a fiancé. He wrote to your wife, your own daughter husband, say, Mama Ego is an adulterous woman. Uratan Papa Ego, your stepdaughter. Papa Ego himself, he own day body. Who they tell the truth? Papa Ego, when Don Prince they insult Mama Ego, Papa Ego right to this time they want they plan marriage. Mama Ego daughter Deborah they plan to marry her husband. Papa Ego go right go give Mama Ego in-law. Say your in-law an adulterous woman with fake account and with unknown number. That same number, Papa Ego no know say Mama Ego get am. The both of them were deceiving themselves because they were not in a good relationship. Mama Ego called me and sent me the write-up. This time around, I dey beg Mama Ego to take Papa Ego back. After we meet for embassy. One of the year. So the thing where Mama Ego come stood her ground on, where she swear to me, say over her dead body, she will have nothing to do with Papa Ego. It is because of that write-up. I'm saying it for the first time. Share this video, let Papa Ego sit down, make it listen. I'll bust the code. I tell you, say, we go expose every damn nigga secret out between me and you on this server space. No one will be done indoor. Yes. The major reason after the Glasgow, the fights, where they fight for Germany, where Papa Ego might go to pursue Papa Ego, say you don't want again, go return bride price, Glasgow, go call the family, they return bride price. The other bigger one will can happen. Draw your 2 ear now, make it a year now. Everybody listen and share this video. For those of them who know Tony Embassy, Tony Mukuyi, make una call and make it sit down. Make it listen with the major points. What in the wife hold strong. Where we can say he don't need Papa Ego give over his life. One, the toxic relationship, the toxic marriage. Papa Ego and Mama Ego, they don't enjoy their marriage since when they married, that's so fast. That was. Including the presence of Papa Ego brothers. Mama Ego and Papa Ego, they fight like say this ring. She go accumulate all those fights. When I see they drive back for Nigeria. Hello? Hello? I greet you. What up? I must greet you, Ross. Once about a live video, a TikTok, and yeah, YouTube. Yeah. What's your government? Okay, Umenwan TV, yaro. Umenwan TV, yaro YouTube. Umenwan TV, Umenwan TV.